what nature had in store. Scene 1. Class,
cried Miss Pika.
Yes, yes,
Cried the class. It sounded satisfactory.
Today we will be talking about the energy pyramid. Oh, also please remember to come to this family. Our representative is Nick. Like I was saying, we will be learning about the energy pyramid.
She said Dennis as he yawned. Soon he fell asleep. He had an awkward dream. Scene 2. Dennis opened his eyes and saw green, and it smells like plants. He also saw his classmates, all dirty in mud and dust.
Oh!
where are we?
Said Dennis.
We're lost in the forest. Can't you see?
Said Angelica. They were surrounded by a lot of trees, shrubs, and bushes.
Grrr. What was that?
Said Vika. Just then, some kind of a shadow jumped out of the bushes, and it was a bear! Screamed Angelica. He ran in one direction, but the bear ran in the other.
Whoa, that was close.
Cried Dennis.
Where are we now?
I don't know. I think we're lost again.
Let's just try to get out by walking. Walking.
They walked in circles, round and round, but finally came out,
Okay, let's try to find
Wow.
it.
Look.
said Nick.
Wow, look.
Said Vika. Her head was in a bush. The rest of the kids put their heads in too. There was a little bug. It was eating the plants. A bird flew by and ate the bug,
No, spit it out. Oh, poor bug.
said Vika. Then a wild cat pounced on the bird and ate it.
No, spit it out. Poor bird.
Said Vika again.
That is part of the energy pyramid.
Said Nick.
The what?
Said Dennis.